Hello kids. Look at the picture and guess the missing first letter. Let's learn and spell 3 letter words together. Are you ready for this fun game? Let's start. Look at the picture. It is jam. First letter is missing. A, M. Which letter completes the word? It is J, J, A, M. Jam. Can you say it again? J is for jam. 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 Look at the picture. It is a bun. First letter is missing. U, N. Which letter completes the word? It is B, B, U, N. Bun. Can you say it again? B is for bun. 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 Look at the picture. It is a hat. First letter is missing. A, T. Which letter completes the word? It is H, H, A, T. Hat. Can you say it again? H is for hat. 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 Look at the picture. It is a toy. First letter is missing. O, Y. Which letter completes the word? It is T, T, O, Y. Toy. Can you say it again? T is for toy. 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 Look at the picture. It is a B. First letter is missing. E, E. Which letter completes the word? It is B, B, E, E. B. Can you say it again? B is for B. 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 Look at the picture. It is a tap. First letter is missing. A, P. Which letter completes the word? It is T, T, A, P. Tap. Can you say it again? T is for tap. 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 Look at the picture. It is a map. The first letter is missing. AP. Which letter completes the word? It is M, M, A, P. Map. Can you say it? M for map. 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 Look at the picture. It is a boy. First letter is missing. O, Y. Which letter completes the word? It is B, B, O, Y. Boy. Can you say it again? B is for boy. 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 Look at the picture. It is a pin. First letter is missing. I, N. Which letter completes the word? It is P, P-I-N. Pin. Can you say it again? P is for pin. 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 Look at the picture. It is a log. First letter is missing. O, G. Which letter completes the word? It is L, L, O, G. Log. Can you say it again? L is for log. 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 Look at the picture. It is a bin. First letter is missing. I, N. Which letter completes the word? It is B, B, I, N. Bin. Can you say it again? B is for bin. 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 Look at the picture. It is a tag. First letter is missing. A, G. Which letter completes the word? It is T, T, A, G. Tag. Can you say it again? T is for tag. 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 Look at the picture. It is a pig. First letter is missing. I, G. Which letter completes the word? It is P, P, I, G. Pig. Can you say it again? P is for pig. 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 Look at the picture. It is a mat. First letter is missing. A, T. Which letter completes the word? It is M, M, A, T. Mat. Can you say it again? M is for mat. 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 Look at the picture. It is an egg. First letter is missing. G, G. Which letter completes the word? It is E, E, G, G. Egg. Can you say it again? E is for egg. 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 Look at the picture. It is a mop. First letter is missing. O, P. Which letter completes the word? It is M, M, O, P. Mop. Can you say it again? M is for mop. 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 Look at the picture. It is a tin. First letter is missing. I, N. Which letter completes the word? It is T, T, I, N. Tin. Can you say it again? T is for tin. 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 Look at the picture. It is a fin. First letter is missing. I, N. Which letter completes the word? It is F, F. F-I-N. Fin. Can you say it again? F is for fin. 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 Look at the picture. It is a dip. First letter is missing. I, P. Which letter completes the word? It is D. D, I, P. Dip. Can you say it again? D is for dip. 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 Look at the picture. It is a kid. First letter is missing. I, D. Which letter completes the word? It is K. K, I, D. Kid. Can you say it again? K is for kid. 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 Great job, kids! You learned many new 3-letter words today. See you in the next fun quiz.